Hi, the third video in this series that I'm calling ways to make money online here in Kenya is website management. So businesses here in Kenya have accepted to go online, and each and every, even the small businesses today have websites. So the website management is something new. I actually have a website manager, so I'm talking this out of experience. So go online and train yourself on how to manage e-commerce sites, how to add products, how, if in case something is out of stock, how do you close on that product, such things. You can easily do it on YouTube. I have a website, and all these things I learned here on YouTube. You can come here and learn about website management, the basics of e-commerce sites, different a few basics before you go into the job market. And I can tell you for sure, guys, this industry, website management, is going to go big. Kama venye social media management has gone big today, in the next 2 years, this is going to be very big.